This is the humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Setup was really easy, came with easy to follow directions. These nozzles are adjustable wherever you want it. Feels really good. The tank is big, and it has a little LED on the side as a nightlight. It also shows that it's also the window to see the water level. There's also a little door right here for essential oils. If you wanted to put that. And I wanted to demonstrate the anti-tipping program in this. It's a safety feature, and as you can see, it turned off, so it won't work if this thing falls off or anything happens to it. So it is a really good feature, and this is overall a really great humidifier.